range, that open space they call country. I wanted you, I couldn't have you. Your pills left you kinda deranged, hopelessly caged like some monkey. I wanted you, I couldn't have you. Still it too my heart you came. Is a message from this lonely boy who will never feel the same. I will never feel the same. I read you while holding the page. You're open it crazy and funky. I needed you, but you weren't there. Happiness can give you the blues, especially when it ends. Ha! I'm slowing down, can't turn you round. Into my heart you came. Here's a message from this lonely boy who will never feel the same. I will never feel the same. Come on, baby. I've made my mistakes. Wake up, let's not break up now.
Muchas gracias.
I mean. My tongue's tied up around it. My brain is so tired, but my heart is so warm. I wanna be with you, to talk with you, to sleep with you, most of all, make love to you. Hey! Last night I dreamed about it. The rooms in these hotels, they're the same around the world. I could really do without it. I'll only hate myself if I take another girl. I wanna be with you, I wanna talk with you, sweet thing, I wanna sleep with you, most of all, make love to you. Come on now. Whoa, if I ever get home again, I could open up my soul again. I have to get this message to you. I wanna be with you, I wanna talk with you, I wanna sleep with you, I wanna make love to you, love to you, love, 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 love. You got that feeling inside. You know my love just can't hide. Take it right on there, boys. Come on. Thank you. From the new Flame album, To Be With You. We're going to take you on a tour tonight of the last 25 years of the story of Simply Red. Hope we're going to play you some of your favorite songs. And just hold on. So what do you want to do? You want to do more? This will do more.